Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make country style ribs right in your Ninja Foodi Grill. These are only going to take about 15 minutes and they come out tasting perfect and full of flavor. So let's get started making these easy country style ribs right in your Ninja Foodi Grill. So the first thing you're going to need are a few ingredients. You're going to use boneless country style ribs. We usually use the pork ribs, barbecue sauce, and then your seasoning of choice just to season those ribs right before you grill them, or you can season them and let them sit out for a few hours to really soak in. So the first thing you're going to do is preheat the Ninja Foodi Grill. You're going to preheat it on high heat using the grill function. While that's preheating, you can go ahead and get your ribs ready. Whenever the preheat's done, you can spray the grill with olive oil cooking spray and then just place the ribs evenly on the grill. This is really simple to do and you're just going to put them in there to fit. Once that's done, you can coat them with the barbecue sauce. Now I just pour it on and spread it on there. Of course, whenever they're done, make sure you switch brushes so you don't cross-contaminate anything with cooked meat. But anyways, you just go ahead and coat them with the barbecue sauce, and then you can go ahead and get those grilling. I like to grill them for just about 10 minutes. Then I open up the lid and I'll flip them over and I'll add some more sauce there on the other side. So this is after 10 minutes and I've flipped over the ribs, and then I'm going to sauce them up again. And then I just let them cook for about 2 more minutes. You don't need to cook them much longer. Whenever they are done, you're going to go ahead and just check the temperature. I like to use a quick read thermometer and check the temperature. Usually they need to be at least 165 degrees internally to be well done. I usually end up with them somewhere around 170. So once those are done, you can go ahead and remove them and get them ready to serve. Normally I'll add a little bit more barbecue sauce, but it's kind of up to you. These did come out very saucy and juicy, so you didn't even really need anything. They just melted in your mouth. These are really, really good and perfect to use the Ninja Foodi Grill for. If you do want to make ribs like baby back ribs, I do have a recipe for that I'll link to in the show notes. And that one is for the Ninja Foodi multi-cooker, which uses the pressure cooker and air crisp function. So I'll link to that as well. But remember, you can find this recipe along with many others over on mommyhatescooking.com. I will link to all my Ninja Foodi recipes below. And I hope you enjoy these easy country style ribs that are made in the Ninja Foodi Grill.